Morning, respected teachers and all my dear friends. It's me Sabina Mokhtar from Sarvanam Sikhalaya of grade 12, and I'm here to deliver a short speech on the topic of dragon fruits. The origin of dragon fruit is unknown. Dragon fruit is a tropical fruit that has become increasingly popular in recent years. It contains a small amount of nutrients. It also descends a source of iron, magnesium, and fiber. Though people primarily enjoy it for its unique look or taste, it also provides some health benefit, as well as in Nepal nowadays it is very popular, and it has some factories. In Mexico it is called pitaya or pitahaya. It usually refers to the fruits of genus Stenocereus. Dragon fruit is a low calorie that has high fiber and also provide good amount of several vitamins and minerals. Thank you.
Good morning, respected teachers and my friends. Me Samjana Rai from grade 12 from Sarvanam Sikhalaya. Today I am here to say some short speech on the topic of mango. Mango is also known as the king of fruits, is by the volume the second largest tropical fruit crop in the world after bananas. It is ranked fourth in total fruit behind bananas, citrus and apples. It is the national Nepal's fruits. Cultivations of mango has occurred for more than 4,000 years, and the trees have great cultural and religious significance in some countries. The mango has been known to Nepal since every early time. Scientific fossils evidence indicates that the mango made its first appearance even earlier, 25 to 30 million years ago, in the northeast India and Bangladesh, from where it traveled down to southern India. The earliest name given to the mango was Amrapal. The mango belongs to a genus which consists of tropical fruits in the family of the mango received the name indica is it received believed to originate in India. The mango tree flower and fruit seasons from April to August in universal subtropical country. Nowadays the use of medicinal plant has been growing interest. The king of fruits, mango fruit, one of the most popular nutritionally rich fruits with unique flavor, taste and health promoting qualities. The mango is good sources of sugar, vitamin A and C and minerals. The fruit plum contains vitamin A and C. Thank you.
Hello everyone, it's me Sita Mokhtar. I am from grade 12 of Sarvanam Sikhalaya. Here I am standing in front of you to say some short notes about kiwi. Kiwi fruits often found on kiwi in America or Chinese raspberry in the edible berry of several species of woody beans in the genus Echinacea. The most common cultivated group of kiwi fruit in oval about the size of a large hen's egg, 5 to 8 cm, 2 to 3 inch in length and 4.5 to 5.5 cm in diameter. It has a thin, frizzy fibrous spread by edible length, brown skin and length, light green or golden face with row of tiny black edible seeds. It has a soft texture with a sweet and unique. Kiwi fruits is native to Central and Eastern China. The first record descriptions of the kiwi fruits dates of the 12th century during the Song dynasty. The fruit became popular with British and American servicemen. Has a soft texture with a sweet and unique flavor. Kiwi fruits is native to Central and Eastern China. The first recorded descriptions of the kiwi fruit dates of the 12th century during the Song dynasty. The fruit became popular with British and American servicemen stationed in New Zealand during World War II, as it was usually collected from the wild and consumed for medical purposes. The plant was rarely cultivated or bred. The genus Echinacea comprises around 600 species. The skin of the fruit varies in size, hardness and color. The fresh berries are in color, juiciness, texture and taste. Some fruits are unpalatable with while other taste better than the majority of commercial cultivators. Thank you. Nowadays, people are eating this fruit in various purposes. for nutrition, for energy. This fruit is very popular in our Nepal. Thank you.